Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let us say thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us guidance, happiness, and healthy and mercy, so we can attend the closing ceremony of the 9th Bina Darma Rector'S without any obstacles. In this very good morning, we would like to express our warm welcome to the Honorable, the Head of LLB P2, the Honorable, the Head of Dignas Pendidikan Kota Palembang, the Honorable, the Vice Rector of Universitas Bina Darma, Mr. M. Isman Herdiansyah, STMM PhD, the Honorable, the Director Head of English Language Center of Universitas Bina Darma, Ms. Komala Dwi Syaputri, MPD, the Honorable, the Head of Committee, Ms. Chita Hikmayanti, MPD, all the participants, judges, and committee members. Welcome to the closing ceremony of the 9th Bina Darma Rector's Trophy. Create your moment and steal the spotlight. My name is Anissa Nur Islamia. On behalf of the organizing committee, I am going to be your master of ceremony in this very good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, the rundowns of the closing ceremony are: first, opening; second, report of the head of the committee; third, greetings of the Vice Rector of Universitas Bina Darma; fourth, winner announcements; fifth,